Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
MOLLEM अभयारण्यातल्या हायवे, 4 लेनिंग, रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आणि पॉवर लाईन प्रकल्पांचे इशू दिशी तापतात. सरकारी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराच्या नावान काळो कारभार चल्ला म्हणून ग्रीन आणि वाईल्ड लाईफ ॲक्टिव्हिस्टांक भय. महावीर अभयारण्यातल्या 3 प्रकल्पातले हायवे आणि रेल्वे या दोन्ही विस्तार प्रकल्पांचो जनावरांक चढ त्रास जावचो ना म्हणून सरकार सांगता. भूगोलिक परिस्थिती पळयल्यार चित्र वेगळेच. ॲक्टिव्हिस्ट क्लॉड म्हणटा हे मोठे रान 3 ल्हान भागांनी विभागतले. हायवे आणि रेल्वे ट्रॅफिक वाडटा तसो जनावरांक अपघाताचो धोको वाडटलो.
In these proposals that have come up, there are 3. One is, as I said, high tension line is completely new, and it is coming in the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary part, and it is going to cut across one portion of the wildlife sanctuary. It enters in one place and then goes out from Sangod village. It comes, it enters MOLLEM and then goes out to Karnataka. Then we have the existing road. Anybody who has travelled to Belgaum on that road knows that you cannot expand that road. So you physically cannot expand the road. So what the PWD has done is, in order to get the permission for a road, they have said we are going for road widening. But when you actually look at the project, 75% of the road is not road widening, it is a new road being constructed on a viaduct. Viaduct means very high pillars which are implanted in the ground, and it is not part of the old road. So here already there is misrepresentation that has taken place. You are saying that it is extension of the road, but it's not extension, you are constructing a new road.
अभयारण्यातल्या या राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग विस्ताराक 3 अंडरपास असतले आणि 1 ओव्हरपास असतलो. जनावरां खातीर रेल्वे ट्रॅकाक 8 अंडरपास दवरल्यात म्हणून सरकार सांगता. कन्झर्वेशन बायोलॉजिस्ट गाब्रिएला डिक्रूजाक सरकाराचो आर्ग्युमेंट पटना.
Animals don't follow boundaries. They don't actually know that, okay, if there's a road, I need to go under this underpass. They will go across wherever they feel is more comfortable. And right now there is a statistic that of all the roads in Goa, I think over 40,000 animals per year are killed in roadkill. So you can just imagine that widening roads will just mean more animals being killed, tigers possibly being killed. These areas are places where animals will cross regardless of whether you have an underpass or not. So I think having an underpass is good, but I don't think that is a valid enough reason to say we can have another highway.
क्लॉड म्हणटा रानवटी जनावरांक लायटी आणि हॉर्नाचो त्रास जातलो. त्या भायर रस्तो आणि ट्रॅका वेल्यान सहज यो वच करप शक्य जावचें ना.
You have to assure the sanctuary it's complete peace and quiet. Don't want any traffic inside. We don't want any animals being run down because they are crossing the roads. Sometimes in the night they are, put into a state of shock because of the headlights of the vehicle, and then they get frozen in the same place, and of course they get run over.
पश्चिम घाटात शेकड्यांनी तरेची रानवटी जीवावळ आणि पक्ष्यांचो अधिवास. हाय ट्रान्समिशन लायनीचो या अभयारण्यातल्या पक्ष्यांच्या जीवाकय धोको उप्रासला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.